Assalamu alaikum. Early Standard Mathematics C by Cantab publisher, and remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, and our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And what's about today's topic? So it's about the shapes, and today we are going to talk about square. It means that our SLO is that by the end of the lesson, students will be able to recognize and draw the square shape. So let's begin by showing their already known shapes to the students. Yes, students, look at here. Can you name the shape? Can you tell me the name of the shape? Yes, it's a circle, and circle goes round and round. Look at here, it's going round and round. Very good. Now, who is going to tell me the name of this shape? This is a rectangle. This is a rectangular shape because four sides are not equal. Four sides are not equal. And can you please look at this? Oh, this is a card. Well, and look at the shape of the card. It is rectangular shape. It is of rectangular shape. Four sides are not equal. When four sides are not equal, we get a rectangular shape like this and like this. But what's about the shape having four sides equal? Think about it and look around yourself and try to find out a shape which is having four sides equal. Is there any shape around you? Look around yourself. After this, what we can do, we can introduce the square shape. Look at here. This shape is having all the sides equal, but this shape is not having all the sides equal. This is a rectangular shape, and this is a square. This is a square. This is a square. This is a square. Good. Can you please raise up your hand in the air, and can you please draw a square in the air like this? This is a square. This is a square. After this, you can do that. You can draw some pictures or shapes on the board. You can put around, paste the flashcards, and you can invite the student to come to you, come closer to the board and encircle the square shapes. For example, what I am going to do, I am going to draw some pictures like this. Now, who is going to come here and going to find out the square for me? You have to encourage the students. Students, come here and try to find out the square shape for me. Yes, this is a square because it is having all the sides equal. This is a square and it is having all the sides equal. There is an activity given in the book, and it states that the teacher will ask the student to cut the lid of cookie box to give the concept of square. Yes, you can take up a cookie box in your hand, you can cut it in front of the students, and you can tell them that it is a square shape. After this, you can give them pieces of paper and you can ask them to draw squares of different sizes. Then you can take them to the school walk and they can look around the school and find out different square shapes around themselves. After this, you are going to invite them to open their books and you can tell them that it is a square because it is having all the sides equal. It is having all the sides equal. It's good to use a scale to measure the sides like this, that all the sides are equal. You can use a scale to measure the sides. After this, you can invite them, you can tell them, guide them to work individually and to draw a square in all the boxes. given in the books. As a homework, you can ask them to collect the shapes of the things or to pictures of the things to be pasted, to get pasted in their notebooks. And you can also ask them to take colored pieces of paper and cut squares of different sizes out of those papers and paste these shapes on their notebooks. Thank you very much.